Tim here with the Jacks of All Trades. I want to take a second and talk about something that fails all the time on home inspections and electrical inspections. That is a really simple fix. The code states that anytime there are penetrations from outside to inside on a heated space from an area that isn't heated, that you need to seal that. They want you to use a product called Duct Seal. It's like this clay substancy that you can wrap around and it keeps air from passing through. It's pretty simple. Let's come on over here and I'll show you how it works. Okay, this is Duct Seal and it comes in this plastic package here. It cost me about $10 for a pound of it at Platt this morning. And basically what it's designed for is it's very malleable and you can move it around so you can mold it against the wires and fill the opening of the pipe. By filling up the opening of the pipe, you're keeping the warm air in the house and the cold air from outside from condensating, like sometimes you'll see on an old bad window. And by doing this, it keeps moisture from being inside your panel. So anytime you have a penetration of a wire that goes from inside to outside, whether it's in an electrical panel or in a little plug box or plug switch, you need to duct seal the opening where the wire comes through to make sure that there's no moisture there out from the environmental change like you would see moisture on a window or whatever. Let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, it's like a gray clay that you can mold, you can break off pieces of it, you can twist it. It's very sticky. It has this wax backing. Now I'm going to tell you two things about Duct Seal you need to know. First of all is as you're messing with it, if it is cold, it does not manipulate very well. Second thing is this waxing can be really difficult to take off if it gets too hot. So you want to make sure you peel it back and store it properly where it can be warm. For what we're doing, we're going to peel off a chunk like so. See, peel off a chunk, and then we're going to manipulate it with our fingers to get it so we can wrap it. I like to get it kind of flat and kind of make some notches in it so we can get it around the wires. And we'll come on over here and I'll show you how it works on the electrical panel.
Okay, I need to caveat this. Do not stick your fingers into a live panel. Have the power company pull the meter or use the exterior disconnect if your house has one. You don't need to be sticking your fingers in a panel to try to save $150 and get injured or even killed. Always, unless you're a licensed professional, make sure the power is off before you work in the panel.
Okay, so we're gonna take several chunks of this and we're gonna fill up the gap of this hole.
Now, if you look here, you can see we have it manipulated and stuck all the way around this pipe. There's nowhere that air can seep through. The gaps are all completely closed for the penetration that goes out to the electrical meter. So if you have a correction or a ding on any kind of inspection that talks about Duct Seal, that's what it is they're asking you to do. It's not super difficult. If you have any tricks or any other things to this same nature that I don't know about, leave a comment below. I'd love to talk more about it. If you have any other videos you'd like to have done, please leave a message below or go ahead and head on to our Facebook at Ask the Jacks and ask your question and we'll make a video about it. Thanks for watching.